Alright, so I'll be working this Chef Samsung microwave, and the thing with this microwave is that when you plug it on, you're gonna SE error code. Alright, so I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so it's on right now. Give it a few seconds and you'll see it. Right, so you see the SE error code. Now this SE error code, it could be one out of three problems. Right? So problem number one, it could be the one of the key stuck in the keypad. Right? So one of these keys stuck in the keypad, that could be one of the problem. If that's not a problem, it could be the ribbon. The ribbon I hook up to the keypad, to the circuit board. The ribbon could be dirty. Right, so if that's not the problem, it could be the circuit board itself. Right, so to fix this, you gotta either change the circuit board or change the keypad. So I'll open up this and check the ribbon and see if the ribbon needs to be clean. Alright, so I will pause the video for now and open it up and get back to you. Alright, so I'll remove the cover, and this is the inside of the microwave, and everything looking good. Alright, before you touch anything, make sure you unplug it. Alright, so this microwave, so far everything looking in good condition. And I noticed this microwave don't have a noise filter. Normally noise filter will be on top here. Alright, so this is the ribbon from the keypad to the circuit board. So let's remove the ribbon. Alright, so I'll remove it, and now let's wipe it, and I'll spray it with some CRC electronic cleaner. And I will spray the socket inside. Give it for a while, let it dry. Put it back together. Yeah, so sometimes the ribbon, right? So this is the ribbon. Sometimes the ribbons get dirty and it's caused a short or an error. Right, so that right, and I'll plug it on now. And see alright, so far you're not seeing no SE error code. So Alright, so number 6 in working. Alright, so I'm gonna run it. Alright, so you can see it's been 14 minutes and there's no error code on this display screen, right? So I'll put some water and check for temperature, see the heating. So set it for 12 seconds. Alright, so the water it's hot, it's warm, so again heat. Alright, so this working. So I'll unplug it and then plug it on again and see if the SE error code will pop up. Alright, so nothing. So this is number 6 in working. Alright, so no error code again, no SE error code again, so must be the ribbon was the problem. Alright, so the ribbon, how I clean it, everything working good again. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all the repairs.